Hi, my name is Margareta Bessel.
And I am Misha Thierfelder.
We're both teachers in the Energy Balancing Institute. We are international seminar leaders in teaching energy balancing, energy sensitivity, inner work. And we're very happy that Light Center invited us to come to Taipei.
We will give an open evening at the end of August and a 3-day seminar at the beginning of September in Taipei. In this 3-day seminar and in the open evening, we will show you what energy work means. Because beneath the ordinary world of what we see is a world of energy that is ruling what we do, what we think, what we feel. So if you're going through the world not aware of this energy, things are happening to you and you're probably wondering, why is that happening to me? Why is my relationship not working? Why do I have a problem with my boss at work? All of that is based on energy. It's based on a flow of energy or a block of energy. And like I said, if you're not aware, you cannot change it. So we basically teach the awareness of energy.
We call the course Your Energy in Action, which means we are looking at your energy first. So, where do your energies flow to? Are you balanced with your energy, or are you off balance? And how can you bring yourself back to balance? We're also going to look at what we call energy leaks. So, where do I lose energy and where to? And of course, we also look into interaction and something that we call energy violations. We do it and others do it to us, meaning that our energy oversteps the boundary of another person or they overstep our boundaries. How do we deal with that? How can we protect ourselves? Or how can we also heal ourselves from a violation? So we feel all these issues are very practical. We're going to help you to use your energy sensitivity to really look into issues from your daily life and find a better solution.
We will also teach you something called energy-based meditation, which is a very powerful tool of inner work that you can use every day in your life. And we will give you a lot of other tools you can use the moment you step out of the group room in your daily life. Every moment you talk to somebody, you have an interaction with somebody, with yourself, with your energy. The tools we will teach you are very applicable to your daily life. So we want to invite you to come to our workshop and learn the tools that we have been practicing for the last 20 years and that have completely changed our lives.
So, come to our workshop the first weekend in September in Taipei and bring lots of your friends, because the path of inner work is so much easier and has more fun when you are walking it with friends.